everybody, Drew Jablonowski here today with Garage Gurus, and we've got a Chevy 2500 here. We're going to show you how to do a front shock install. We're going to be using the Rancho RS5000 X shocks. Let's grab some safety glasses and go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead with our basic safety steps. We want to make sure we pull the vehicle in on a flat and level surface. Then we want to chalk the rear tires so the vehicle doesn't have the ability to move forward or backward when we lift it in the air. We want to make sure we set the parking brake just for that added safety. Not everybody has the luxury of using a hoist, so we just wanted to make sure that you knew where to support this vehicle properly with your jack stand, and that's going to be underneath the front frame and not underneath the front control arm. All right, now that we got the tire off, we've got the vehicle lowered down here just to make it a little bit easier to see where the shock is and to see the actual removal of it. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take these two bolts or two nuts off right here at the top, and then down at the bottom here there's a through bolt that goes through the shock. So let's go ahead and get started and remove this shock. Now that we got the OE shock out of here, I chose to use the Rancho RS5000 X. Now that we got this Rancho RS5000 X shock installed, I'm going to go ahead and put the tire on, torque it to spec. I'm not going to waste your time though. I'll go ahead and do the other side on my own. My name is Drew Jablonowski. I just wanted to thank you for watching this. If you have any more questions or information about Garage Gurus, join us at garageguru.tech. And if you want to see any more tech tips, you can follow us on the Garage Guru YouTube channel. Have a good one.